If you run your business on WhatsApp and you're still typing the same replies by hand a circumflex euros, this video will save you hours. I'll show you how to set up WhatsApp auto reply step by step, completely free. Then, a smarter way that can actually book customers for you. Auto reply just means WhatsApp answers for you automatically. The moment someone messages, they get an instant response a circumflex euros even when you're closed, asleep, or busy with a customer. And fast replies win business. Most people simply buy from whoever answers first. Let's start with the free tools built into the WhatsApp Business app. First, the greeting message. Open WhatsApp Business, go to Settings, then Business Tools, then Greeting Message. Switch it on and write a friendly welcome. Now every new customer gets an instant hello the second they reach out. Here's what that looks like. A customer says hi, and instantly your greeting fires back a circumflex euros warm, on brand, and already pointing them toward what to do next. Next, the away message. Same menu a circumflex euros business tools, then away message. Set your business hours, and anytime a message arrives after closing, WhatsApp replies automatically, so nobody feels ignored overnight. Third, quick replies. These are saved answers you trigger by typing a slash. Perfect for the questions you get all day. Circumflex euros your prices, your location, your hours. One tap instead of typing it out again and again. But here's the catch. The built-in tools are great for a hello and a goodbye a circumflex euros, and that's about it. They can't answer a real question, they can't book an appointment, and they can't take a deposit. The moment a customer asks something specific, you're back to replying by hand. This is where an AI assistant comes in. Instead of a fixed script, it actually understands what the customer wants. It answers the real question, offers open time slots, books the appointment, takes a deposit, and confirms a circumflex euros all inside the chat. And it does it across WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger at the same time. Watch the difference. The customer asks for a slot. The assistant checks the calendar, offers real times, and confirms the booking with a deposit a circumflex euros, no staff, no waiting. That's a customer one while you were doing something else entirely. That assistant exactly what we build Remarketly for. You can start free, set it up in minutes, and turn every message into a booking. If this helped, follow for the next one and drop your questions below. The link is in the description.